guys, today I am going to do the unboxing and hands-on review for Tenda 301 wireless portable 2600 mAh power bank. So this is the box of the product and it is written the amount for the product, that is 2500 as you can see clearly. It's a easy 3G 4G accessing and sharing router. So let's unbox it. As it is a bit messy to take out the product, the company has not made the box very easy to take out the product. So here is the product. It's a triangular shape of router, and other things which are provided by the company are cable for charging the modem, and this is a LAN wire for the Ethernet connection on this router, and this is a CD for the readme text of router, and there is a manual installation guide also provided by the company. So let's move on the configuration and hardware support given by the company. So as we can see that in front of the router there is a WAN and LAN port for the Ethernet cable connection, and there is a LED light which indicates the battery power, and there is a reset button which will use a pin to reset the router. And on the left side of the router there is a off on button which we use to switch it on and off, and there is a 3G 4G and 5-volt USB powered port for charging your mobile phones and for modem support, and there is a power micro USB which is used for charging the router. So after this they have given the configuration of router, that is SSID or password, to connect the router with your devices. So let's move on with the switching on of this device. So we switch it on and we can see that the light glows blue, and it will glow green and red respectively as the battery goes down. The green symbol on this light shows that the battery is drained, and the red shows that the router needs charging. So let's insert the USB modem in this device, and we can see that after a few seconds the device will be ready. And we can also use this to extend the device, as we know that if we keep the router like this, the device sometimes moves up and down, that it will damage the USB port on the modem. And we can keep it in bag with using this cable. This cable is not available within the package, as I have brought this cable from the outside. So you can also get it's maximum 30-40 rupees cable, and it takes some time. As you can see that the light is blinking on this device. It will be when the device connects to the internet. Now see, here it is, the internet is now connected. So let's put it like this. We can put it like this also, as so that our modem does not get hurt. So here's my phone. I will switch it on and put the password. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is already connected. Settings. So we move on to settings, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi settings. See, my device, this I have named, actually this is Tenda 300, but I have named it as Genie, as the internet also fulfills all our needs like Genie does in Aladdin TV serial. So it is connected. So now let's open the browser and try to browse like Google, like we try to open Google. See, now this device is working very swiftly, and see that this device is, and the device range is very good. So but I cannot show you the range because I am making this video. And for I have checked this range yesterday, as I have brought 3 days back. The range is very good. As my house is so big, but it is connecting wherever I go in my house. And now for configuring the router, we have to open 192.168.1.1, sorry, 2.1, 192.168.2.1. Press the go button and see, there is the Tenda wireless router panel. So there is written like, see here, and we can see that there is written admin, password is, and username and password is admin. So I will, here it is, admin. So now I will type admin here, ADA. You can change it later. The changing facility is given that so that your router is not been hacked. So here we can see that there is many mode option, which we will discuss later in depth. In for the for these to know about these functions of this router, subscribe our video at. Thank you for watching the videos. Subscribe.